Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Ridgemay #AGP Kitchen. Today guys, I'm cooking hot Italian sausage for my dinner. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to make it right. And we start guys, is wash my hands. So guys, not working, so I have to use this. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and germs. So, my hand. Let me wash my hand. Let me get it from my hand. Clean my hands. And clean my knuckles. To get my hands really clean. We'll see what we need to get out first. I think I should get out. I think I should start making green beans. Sounds very good, actually. Wait, hold on, guys. The microwave just went off, so guys, let's start cooking. Smoked sausage. Hot Italian smoked sausage. Okay. I got it. Guys, you guys have any ideas for future vlogs or cooking ideas? Can you guys comment down below, please? I can open this because I can open this. It's me with me. That's like you see guys. Right now, I'm looking for things I can open my green beans. Oh, I forgot I put it right there. And for that, put your oil in it. Let's use that for the other pot. No salt. Back burner. Yep. Hey guys, you have any ideas for me to cook, or any ideas for me to do on the channel? Comment down below. That. Guys, remember to have a dark vision and cook, guys. I don't want you guys to get both burned. I'm gonna switch this so it doesn't get hot. So I can contain the heat. Throw these green beans. I keep my channel clean. Hey guys, how's your day going? I hope you guys are doing good and staying healthy, guys. Team Flash. smoked sausage is almost done. Italian sausage is almost done. That's starting to get hot. That's good. And after the greens are done, after the greens are done, I'm making this. Chicken flavor pasta side. The smoked sausage is done. When it gets ready, when I put it on a plate, I'll show you, okay? Look how crispy the smoked sausage is. I love cooking. This being Richmond hashtag AJP. My smoked sausage is done. I'm about to take the first bite right now. That's good. We got this. It's a little hot. Take some of my green beans. Very good, guys. Recommend hashtag AZP signing out, guys. Keep cool, keep wicked, and stay healthy. Peace.